I've got these 2 bananas, which are very ripe and need to be cooked. So let's make some banana bread. We're not just doing banana bread. No, that's too easy. We're doing banana bread sandwiches. Banana nut bread sandwiches. I have the oven preset at 350 degrees. We're gonna be using banana bread mix. Never used it before. Let's mash up these ripe bananas. All right, there's 2 mashed up bananas. We're gonna put our bananas in. Now we're gonna add the banana bread mix. And I'm following the package instructions on this, y'all. I've never done it before. 1 large egg and 1/3 cup of water. Stir that together. You know, I'm wondering what would happen if I added cinnamon to this. You know what? Let's do it. Okay, we're doing it. We're gonna add cinnamon. Why not? Sprinkle some cinnamon on there. Banana bread with cinnamon. Ooh, banana nut bread. Okay, now I might be going too far, but I do have nuts. But in the pantry I have nuts, but not everybody likes nuts. Give that a toss. Okie dokie. I lied. I am gonna add some walnuts. You know what? Whoever wants to eat this, it's free, and I'm just giving it to them. These are walnut pieces. Just adding a little bit. If they don't like it, you know, they don't have to eat it. It's ready to go. I just need my stuff in there, and I don't even know how much. I might only need 1 container. I'm not sure. No, I think I can make 2 out of it. All right, well, 2 was stretching it. That's all right, I'll eat that one. Hey, Google, would you set a timer for 15 minutes, please?
Sure, 15 minutes. And we're starting now.
Thank you. Let's have a look-see. Yum. The whole house smells amazing. And I think I love the fact that I put cinnamon in there. Let me get some toothpicks and let's pull these out and see if they're done. Not yet. That one's done. This one needs to cook more. I'm gonna let it rest for a minute and then we're gonna take it out of this. We're not just doing banana bread. No, that's too easy. We're doing banana bread sandwiches. So this one's done and I'm just gonna, yay, it worked. Now let it cool, like completely cool. Slice this loaf of bread up. And then we simply take some room temperature cream cheese and spread it all in there and make a banana nut bread cream cheese sandwich. Yummy. This cute little Christmas tin with some parchment paper in it. I'm just gonna layer sandwiches in there. There we go. Banana nut bread sandwiches. Yummy. Merry Christmas, everybody. You know what? I left one for me. Let's taste it. I'm so glad that I put the nuts in here. Because, hey, it was awesome. I have something else coming up. Well, here real soon. And it'll be right over there. Everybody, have a blessed night. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you again soon.